Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with GraphQL schema backups for UI apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Before initiating your GraphQL schema backup process, ensure you have a stable environment set up. Begin by identifying the GraphQL API you wish to backup. Access your GraphQL endpoint through a web browser or a dedicated client like Postman. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to retrieve the schema. In the browser or client, construct a query to introspect the GraphQL schema. This is commonly done through a query called introspection query. Execute the introspection query to gather the entire schema and its types. Once you receive the response, verify that the JSON structure contains all necessary type definitions. Next, copy the JSON response to your clipboard. Open your preferred text editor or integrated development environment. Create a new file and name it appropriately, such as schema_backup.json. Paste the previously copied JSON schema into this new file. Review the file to ensure there are no errors or missing elements. Save the file in a designated backups folder within your project directory. Next, automate this process by using a tool or script if you require regular backups. Consider utilizing libraries like Apollo CLI or any GraphQL tooling that supports schema downloads. Install the necessary tools through npm or your preferred package manager. Follow the documentation for the tool to configure your schema exports. Once set up, run the script or command to generate your schema backup. Set up a cron job or scheduled task to automate this process at regular intervals if needed. Regularly check the backup files for integrity and usability. Keep track of backup versions to ensure you can revert to a specific schema if necessary. Finally, document the process for future reference and team members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.